Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and sometimes you need to know file extensions, what they are, or you might need to know or find a hidden file or folder. A lot of them in Windows, actually. So it could be for troubleshooting, it could be for other purposes. How do you turn on file extensions and hidden files and folders in Windows 10? Simply go to your File Explorer. On the top, you will see a View tab. If you click the View tab, there you will see File Name Extensions, and you will see Hidden Items. So basically, all you have to do is do that. And if you look at, for example, the Download folder here, you'll notice that now I've got all the extensions. Notice if I remove File Name Extensions, how it removes them. In File Explorer. Here we go. So no more extensions, and put the little check mark back, and here we go. We have, here we go. We have file extensions back. So kind of works, and it could be very useful sometimes if you need to know what type of extension a file is all about. Even though you got icons that associate it with a specific software, it's still useful sometimes to know, what is the extension of this file. And of course, hidden items. If you are in a Windows folder, for example, you might actually not see that file or that folder that you're searching for. And a lot of them are hidden actually in the system, mostly to prevent people from accidentally deleting or modifying an important file or an important folder. But you might need to actually see, and find them depending on what's happening. So that's where the check mark is also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.